here to first be a member of the jury for selection of the I Volunteer Awards. Uh, I've had that honor a couple of years back, but it's wonderful to see the growth, the larger participation, the enthusiasm across all the sectors that Shalabh just mentioned. Clearly, CSR and philanthropy is now recognized as being a partner of the Government of India in nation building. I think it also needs to be recognized that volunteering, people like you, organizations like yours, as part of the volunteering effort, are also contributing to nation building. There are a couple of things I'd like to talk about in terms of volunteering itself. The first is that I distinctly see a shift in the way different stakeholders look at volunteering. And I will speak about it more in possibly the corporate context. The employee of today, and many of them
To be here. I'm always, whenever my very close friend, one of my best friends actually, Mihika Mirchandani, whenever she calls me, I don't even question her. Luckily, this is something that I personally am also very passionate about because at St. Xavier's College in Mumbai, where I went, I studied sociology, and I was very actively involved in a lot of volunteering initiatives. And it's something that I think really built me as a person. I was a writer for visually impaired students. I've also done a lot of volunteering for generally differently abled children. So it's wonderful that I Volunteer Awards, this concept even exists to celebrate, to promote, to encourage volunteering, because I definitely don't think people talk about it enough. So all of you here, really, like, a big round of applause. Congratulations for setting such a wonderful example. And even as an actor, as an entertainer, I think to really create an impact, yes, making you guys laugh, cry, entertaining is one aspect, but being on the ground is something that takes another level of courage. So I truly respect all of you sitting here, and thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Andarki Namaskaram, this is Lakshmi Lalithya from Guide School of Pharmacy, and I am currently pursuing my 5th year of Doctor of Pharmacy from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I am an NSS volunteer, which is National Service Scheme volunteer from the Guide unit since 2019 of September. I've started my journey as a volunteer since 2019. It's been 5 long years. And speaking about the volunteering experience, there are a lot of memories, but the one memory which I can always remember is that it's always the blessings and gratitude from the ones who are benefited through our volunteering work. I have been volunteering for the free health camps, dental camps and eye camps in an adopted village called Old Vilkubanda. So the gratitude from the elderly community people there and the blessings from them is always will be my greatest memory. And there are some government school girls who have benefited through the seminar talks like women menstrual hygiene. So interacting with them and spending time with them are always my greatest memories, and I would look forward to work more with them. So my source of motivation has always been my NSS PO Sheikh Mira sir. He's the one who given me the opportunity and the platform to start my volunteering work. And at the end of day, after 5 long years of volunteering, at the end of day, it's like the satisfaction you get out of this volunteering work, the smiles and the awareness that you have spread, doing something good for the community will always be my motivation. And what I've gained through this volunteerism, so usually volunteer work is something, a selfless act. So, but I should accept that my communication skills have increased through volunteering. I have overcome my stage fear, and which is very minimal percentage, but I have overcome that. And my interactions with the local politicians, the headmasters, the principals, the medical officers, while organizing these health camps and medical camps have always helped me, and this is what I've gained from my volunteer work. So my volunteering work from the year 2022 to 2023 is mainly focusing on programs like Swachh Bharat, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Jal Jagran Abhiyan, Poshan Abhiyan, and various awareness camps and rallies on deadly diseases like cancer, AIDS, filaria, malaria. And not just that, we've even organized the blood donation drives, which helped in collecting more than 200 units of blood in the year 2022 to 2023. And like it's always like door-to-door campaigns on maintaining the hygiene of the community, and anti-plastic awareness in the communities have been our main focus and motto. So reaching to the finals of the Youth Champion Award by I Volunteer makes me feel really, really elated and very excited for the finale. And it would mean so much that volunteer work from a small adopted village like Velgubanda comes into light. It would be really an honor and privilege. So the only message which I can give to the fellow volunteers out there, or the one who wanted to join or give their efforts into volunteerism, is that come out of your comfort zone and come out of your bubble and do something for the community, and build the spirit of patriotism in you, which will not just help the ones around you, it also helps you mentally and emotionally, and you can sleep at the night peacefully with a satisfaction that you have done something to this community. Finally, I would want to say that I volunteer, do you?